Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be just briefly going over the next couple of systems now that Winter Storm Miles is in the rearview mirror. So as Miles moves out, we're really not seeing much behind it. Maybe a Clipper system moving through the northern plains, but starting to get into next week, and especially early next week, we could start to see some more snow starting to develop in parts of the central U.S. Now, this time, instead of areas of the Mississippi River Valley and the Great Lakes and the south central U.S., we're going to see a band of snow across the northern central U.S. Now, we're talking like North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, areas up there, with many areas that just got snowfall, such as Kansas City, St. Louis, Chicago, Detroit, starting off as rain and staying mostly rain. So this next system will be primarily a Twin Cities event, not really much elsewhere. But behind that, we have been starting to see some hints. Now at this point, this is, a week out, but we have been starting to see some hints of a snowstorm from the southern plains all the way up through the northeast. And we could see significant either snowfall, freezing rain, sleet in both of these areas. And I'm particularly watching this for the northeast because we have two distinct scenarios. The European model shows most of the main area of the northeast, the I-95 corridor, starting off as snow and then switching over to sleet and freezing rain and then rain. Whereas if we look at the GFS, we do have that same setup, but that low pressure goes a little bit further to the south, and we see mostly a snow event, especially in areas such as New York and Boston. So that's what I'm watching personally, since I think that this first system, unless things change drastically, will just be a Twin Cities event. Now, we have seen storms get named because it does impact the Twin Cities, because the Twin Cities is over that 2 million people threshold, and we'll see if it does get named. But I think for the next significant major winter storm, we're going to be looking at this system right here. So that is all the new information that I have. There really isn't much right now, especially since we are further out than I usually like to start talking about storm systems. But since there isn't really much going on this weekend, we really can't look at that. So that is the next couple of systems. Comment in the comment section down below if you think the European or the GFS is right, or if you think neither of them will be right. It's pretty much anyone's guess at this point. But that is all I have for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.